Today, I actually bought this, a Moja Pie sausage roll at Food Lovers Market, original beef, 150 gram. I paid $9.99 for it. So I'm gonna heat it in the microwave and tell you what it tastes like. Okay, so I heated it up in the microwave, which is not ideal, but it is an all-day quick snack, so the microwave is the answer. It's only the taste I always say, so let's taste what it tastes like. A bit too warm. But very nice. For a quick snack of less than 10 rand, it's really not bad. It's not as nice as a more expensive sausage rolls, but it's really okay. I rate the sausage roll as 7.8 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.